Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Pooja.
Yeah. Till the time Anshuman gets back with the bell, I'll complete the ground rules. You will get 3 minutes. You have to complete your speech, and after the speech, we'll invite Sir for the feedback and try to make the speech bit more interesting by making full of facts, full of stories, and personal experiences. And before we start with the session, I'll share the attendance link. Please fill the attendance in it.
Thank you so much, Pooja, for the ground rules. And guys, I just want to say this. Listen really carefully. The attendance is really crucial. बहुत ज़्यादा जरूरी है आपकी अटेंडेंस, क्योंकि जब आप 10,000 स्पीकर्स कम्युनिटी ज्वाइन करते हैं तो हाँ स्पीकर लेवल्स होते हैं, जिससे डिसाइड होता है कि आप किस लेवल के स्पीकर्स बन चुके हैं, और वो स्पीकर लेवल्स मिलते हैं कि आपने कौन कौन से सेशन अटेंड किए हैं। स्पीकिंग सेशन हफ्ते में 2 होते हैं, एक लर्निंग सेशन होता है हर हफ्ते, और सबके पॉइंट्स हैं। आपको बोलते हैं तो उसके भी पॉइंट्स हैं, लेकिन ये पॉइंट्स तब मिलते हैं जब आप अपनी अटेंडेंस फिलअप कर देते हैं। अगर आपकी अटेंडेंस नहीं, आप सेशन में आ रहे हैं तो आपको पॉइंट्स नहीं मिल रहे हैं, इसलिए अटेंडेंस जरूर ही भर दिया करिए। होस्ट भूल जाए तो मैसेज करो कि आज अटेंडेंस छूट रही है, क्योंकि नुकसान आपका है, होस्ट का या सर का या 10,000 स्पीकर्स का नुकसान नहीं है। आपको पॉइंट्स नहीं मिलेंगे, आप लेवल अप ही नहीं कर पाएंगे। इसलिए अटेंडेंस ध्यान से हर बार भरें, क्योंकि ऐसा अक्सर हो रहा है कि कई लोग भूल जा रहे हैं, कई लोग रेगुलरली भर रहे हैं, तो उनको बहुत बहुत कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन। और अटेंडेंस भर के मैसेज टाइप करें डन। तब तक हम सेशन को आगे बढ़ाते हैं, और मेरे पास ये बेल है, मैं बजा देता हूँ, एक बार पता चल जाए कि 2 मिनट 30 सेकंड पे ये बेल सुनाई देगी, और 30 सेकंड इसके बेल के 30 सेकंड बाद आपका माइक बंद हो जाएगा। बेल कुछ ऐसा है। बहुत तेज है क्या?
जिन्होंने माइक अपना तेज कर रखा था उनके लिए बहुत ज्यादा तेज था ये।
यस सर, 2.5 मिनट में एकदम चक्कर आ जाएंगे सबको। ओके गाइस, सो
ऐसे नहीं करना उसको, उसकी मौत आ गई है तेरी, ऐसा नहीं करना उसको, कुछ
ओके,
हल्का सा करो
तो
इसको,
मैं
थोड़ा
बेल को
हल्का
थोड़ा
सा
दूर
करो।
बजाऊंगा। सूर्य ने अपनी
हाँ
अटेंडेंस भर दी, बहुत बढ़िया, सब लोग अपनी अटेंडेंस भर दें। ओके, सो ओवर टू द होस्ट पूजा।
Okay, so as everyone has started filling the attendance form, so we'll start with our session. And our first speaker for the evening is Singham Surya. Surya, can you hear us?
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, you can start your session now.
Thank you, Poojaji. And hello, everyone. Do you hear my echoes? Okay. This is my first time I'm attending with a session with my personal mic. And today is my beautiful topic. Are robots are better than humans? It's very risk and complicated topic. I have seen robot movie in my language yesterday. I got that remember still right now. And sorry for the interruption. Okay, I have seen yesterday Robo 1 and 2.0 in yesterday. Through that, robots are not better than humans because humans have having some soul, some mind, and it's very complicated to hard person. जैसे तो लोग को सुनता है पढ़ता है तो कंप्यूटर के वाले रोबोट तो मैथ्स का स्पेशलिस्ट हो चुका है, और टाइपिंग कुकिंग करने के रोबोट तो ज़्यादा है। ये तो जानता है, सुनता है पढ़ता है, मैं आ रही इंग्लिश पेपर से। एंड it's I don't know why the technology is developing still like this. हमेशा एक सच बोल रहूंगा सब लोगों के, ह्यूमन के क्वालिटी, ह्यूमन के ह्यूमैनिटी रोबोट को सिर्फ प्रोग्राम करने के लिए, दिमाग से प्रोग्राम करने के लिए हर साइंटिस्ट अभी तक रिस्क चुकता है, रिस्क पड़ा है। सो दे आर ट्राइंग टू डूइंग द रिस्क बट नो बेटर देन ह्यूमन द रोबोट्स। देखो ह्यूमन का रिस्क तो वेट कर रहा है, ह्यूमन तो कॉस्ट्यूम्स वेयर करना है, ह्यूमन को कुक करेंगे, ह्यूमन को कैरेक्टर्स तो थोड़ी थोड़ी है, और why the risk है, they will want to still learn. रोबोट्स आर हमेशा तो ह्यूमंस के पास, ह्यूमंस का माइंड, ह्यूमंस का कैरेक्टर, ह्यूमंस का ह्यूमैनिटी तो कुछ भी नहीं आगेगा. they don't they don't come closer to humans. So don't be a robot, like don't be a robot as humans. So thank you, have a good day to you all. I'm still studying. Thank you.
Thank you, Surya. That was a really nice speech. Very good content. I'll invite Sir for the feedback.
All right, thank you, Pooja, for that. And thank you, Surya, for good words. Now I can see that your basics are kind of, done. And you also involved thoda Hindi, bhaiya ne thoda Hindi use kiya. Acha laga.
Thank you, sir.
So it has been kind of a mixed thing that you've created, and that's nice. So I commend you on the part of trying to deliver it in Hindi and then kind of putting it out in that direction. So kahin na kahin, it will also improve your fluency, and your hold on different languages. I think the best part with you is that you already have some 5, 6, 7 languages, 8 languages in your portfolio, right? So try working on them and build your portfolio, because it's very amazing when somebody says on stage that, all right, so I am Singham Surya, and in Tamil it says like this, and I know 8 languages, but although I know 8 languages, but one thing that I've been inspired about in my life is this. So what can happen is that knowing 8 languages is something which is multilingually connecting. Okay, so you can connect from people from the south, from the north, from English crowd, everywhere, and that's just amazing. Okay, in fact, I also wanted to kind of learn 8 languages, but I just know Hindi, English, and thoda French aata bhaiya ko. So that is a very little French that is there in the tally. But I always wanted to kind of learn more languages. It's just that it requires some sort of time, and having a multilingual personality, that becomes super interesting. So that's good. Embrace on that part. Okay, I want to see more combinations of languages coming in your speech. Might be you can just say something like this. So in Tamil there is a saying, and then you say something in Tamil, which means, and then you explain it. So that becomes a very rich content. Okay, something of that.
Yes, sir. Sure,
on the part of speech, now I'm talking about the content which is there. I would want you to do a little more preparation as in like what I could see as of now is there was an idea that you wanted to convey, and that's good. But as a part of improvement, I would like you to kind of put in more things into your speech. I think if you can write your speech probably, or write some main points before the speech and kind of prepare it, so that would be interesting, because you are able to give out impromptu speeches, but I would want to see some more prepared speeches, because that way your conviction can come with content and it will make it happen. Okay, so put a little time on preparation. Okay, and take out 1 hour, read about the things. You can probably talk about new technologies, what is happening, go to news, search the same topic, what do you get, have an understanding, and then share your story. Okay, not only personal influence will only work, your stories and content will also work. Okay, and at the end I would like to say that whenever you're speaking, yes, it is true that we are speaking and we want to express, but that is a stage for people who are not confident with their speeches. You're much confident now, you're able to express, and that's good part. Now you have to start learning how to speak valuable, how to speak something valuable that your people wish to hold upon. Okay, Like this feedback is valuable.
Hmm.
So in the same way, your speeches have to be valuable. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
All right. Chalo, all the best. और ऊटी में सब ठीक ठाक? ऊटी all good?
Hmm.
How is the weather
Thank you.
in Ooty?
Ooty?
You are around Ooty, no? No?
Yes, sir. Around 50 kilometers.
हाँ, around ही है. हमारे Ooty is 1500 kilometers from here, so you are more nearer to Ooty.
And my native place to Ooty, my distance between my native place to Ooty is just 50 kilometers. 50 no, 80 kilometers.
80
Want to-
kilometers, huh? Is it near Coimbatore, kya?
No, sir. In my district, that consists of 3 borders, sir.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah.
State borders. Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Karnataka.
3 borders, 8 languages. You are a master mixer. Chalo, that's why you have 8 languages, because you have 3 borders. Dekho.
Yes, sir.
And learn some Marathi also. Okay. And
I will
some
try
Gujarati
best.
also.
I will try it.
Yeah, 10 languages, you're done.
After
Chalo,
lot.
over to the host.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your feedback. That was really nice and inspiring that we should speak something valuable so that it counts some importance for the listeners.
Yeah.
Now, I'll invite another speaker, Nishan. Nishan, can you hear us?
The boy with pink background. The
Yeah.
sky is pink. So इसमें क्या हो सकता है? The roof is pink.
The background is pink, sir. Wall is pink.
Wall is pink.
Wall is pink.
The wall is pink. Okay.
Lot of pink.
He just, yeah. Nishan, can you hear us?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah. So now you can start with your speech.
Okay. Thank you to all of you, firstly. A very warm welcome to all of you. Today, I, Nishan Singh from JNK, is going to speak on the topic, are robot better than human? We all know, first of all, we all know that necessity is mother of invention. But can every invention replace human? The answer is no. We all know that human resources are reliable and affordable. And the second thing is that we all know that a human have a sense, a human have an emotion. Now, my question to all of you, if a parents don't have any child, like example, we are the parents. If we have no child, can parents go for taking robot as their child? Please give me answer by unmute yourself. Can you go for robot to become your child, to make him your child? Can anyone? Okay, I got answer. Answer is no. So how we can say robot is better than human? Because the qualities human have, I think the robot don't have. The third thing is that we all know that human have a good decision-making abilities. But no doubt a robot can advance in technology, it help in development of country, but he can't make a good decision-making ability. He have no good decision-making abilities. Now, the question is, like Prime Minister Narendra Modi is Prime Minister of India. If we make robot as a Prime Minister of India, can he make a good decision for a country? Is it possible that robot can become a Prime Minister of India? The answer is no. Because they don't have a good decision-making abilities. We all know that, like nowadays a corona pandemic is going on. We know that what Prime Minister is doing for us. They are taking good decisions for country, where we have to put lockdown, what we have to do, and when what we have to do. That is the thing. That human have a good decision-making abilities, whereas the robot don't have. Because robot have no sense. Because a technology can make a country advance only in terms of doing work. But I don't think so that a robot can replace human. Now, we are no. I just want to make sure you all of you. First thing is that we all know that who make robot. Human make robot. Human fed the robot. So how we can say robot is better than human? Because who is the father of robot means who make robot means human make robot. Like if a father give birth to child and he do hard work for child and make the child a successful person, then who is best? Father is best or child is best? The child even speak that my father is good. So we all know that the thing is that robot is somewhere good in technology, like in industries, robot can help to get profit, more profit, but it can't replace human. Like robot is increasing in no, I am going to conclude that robot increase unemployment. Like if robot is increased, then poverty is in increasing because unemployment is increasing. Human didn't get any job, so robot can do better than human, but they can't replace human because if poverty, we know that why technology is coming in our country. It is just for welfare of country. If due to robot, if due to robot people are more there is more poverty in our country, so then we are not going to afford the robot because robot is only for welfare of country. If people are going more unemployed, then how we can say robot is good than human? So this is the thing that a robot don't have that qualities this human have because technology can cause better work. There is also disadvantage of everything. Like we say robot movie, but there he caused so many distraction in that. So this is a thing that robot never replace human. Robot never have a good qualities. In which if human have all the qualities, no doubt human is. We all know that human is more. Robot is more costly. Robot material is more costly. But if a person is going for taking job, he can do work for one day. He can take only 500 and 100. But as we know that if we have to make a robot, it can make a very good high. So at last, I am going to say that human are better than robot. Thank you.
थैंक यू निशान। पर मैं ये बोलूंगी
Thank you.
ठंड पाओ पाजी, थोड़ा सा ठंड पा लो, इतना गुस्सा करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है। वेरी
Thank you,
नाइस
ma'am.
स्पीच, फुल ऑफ कंटेंट। आई विल इनवाइट सर फॉर द फीडबैक।
थैंक यू पूजा फॉर दैट। सो निशांत, कैसा लगा आपको अपना स्पीच कैसा लगा?
Sir, actually, nowadays I'm not preparing for anything. I just want to improve that thing. That on the spot, how can I speak on that topic? I just want to improve this thing for me.
Yeah,
So
I
like,
think that's
sir, just
going
I
good.
want. Yeah, sir. Sir,
कैसे
I
जा
am
रहा है अभी?
improving this thing in my. Sir, I think it is good for me. Like I am
Yeah,
improving. I can speak on for 3 minutes. The thing
Yeah,
is good
nice.
for me.
That's amazing. So in fact, one of the major aspect of a speaker is that कहीं ना कहीं उनको एक बोलने की जो क्षमता होती है and not becoming nervous whenever you are speaking impromptu. That is something that has to be fought first. So I think वो शायद उस चीज को overtake थोड़ा बहुत किया है आपने in terms of speaking impromptu, and that has come in a comfort level. So that's good. Congratulations on that. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
I would like to add on the improvement part. I think one of the major aspects of your speech is your involvement into the speech. Okay. Now, what I say by involvement, what do you think? When do you speak loud? Not about you, anyone. What do you think? Why do people speak loud when they are angry?
Yes, sir. When they are angry, they speak loud.
Yeah, but क्यों करते हैं वो ऐसा?
Because they want to prove their point
They want to
somehow.
prove their point. Okay. और बताओ.
They want to feel correct that they are right.
They want to feel correct. But फिर भी मतलब हाँ, that's they want
I
to prove their
guess
point. They want to
if
feel correct.
I guess if a person is saying out loud, so the person is able to put their point in front of everyone in a better way, because वो होता है जब aggression होता है या गुस्सा होता है तो हम जोर से बोलते हैं तो हम और अच्छे से बता पाते हैं या बोल पाते हैं.
एंड सर्च कर रहे होते हैं करेक्ट एक्सप्रेशन की, पर वो मिल रहा नहीं होता और उसको भी गुस्सा आ रहा होता है.
हाँ.
Okay, those are good points. Yeah, they are partly right. But अगर हम overall में बात करें, जब हमारे को गुस्सा आता है या aggression आता है, so what we are trying to do here is we are trying to prove our point, and that automatically अंदर से ना एक emotion आता है, which is around giving you energy. So whenever you are in anger mode, essentially वो एक fight mode में चले जाते हैं. Fight करना है अब, उस वाले का. So point है fight mode में you get a lot of energy, but you can't hit the सामने वाला person. मतलब अभी बात कर रहे हैं ना, पर गुस्सा आ रहा है, पर हम लड़ाई नहीं कर रहे हैं और अंदर से गुस्सा आ रहा है, तो वो एनर्जी किस फॉर्म की एनर्जी में जाता है, वो एनर्जी का फॉर्म चला जाता है वोकल. तो आपकी आवाज तेज हो जाती है. एंड इट इज काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग कि आप अपनी आवाज कंट्रोल नहीं कर रहे हो, आपको जो इमोशन है दैट इज कंट्रोलिंग योर वॉइस. ओके, सो दिस इज हाउ इट हैपेंस. सेम थिंग हैपन इन मल्टीपल थिंग्स ऐसे करके, बट दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच इज हैपनिंग देयर. नाउ एज अ स्पीकर हमारा जो काम है, अगर हम एक स्किल्ड स्पीकर है या अच्छे स्पीकर हैं, तो हमारा कंट्रोल उस चीज पे होना चाहिए. इमोशन और वो वॉइस, ये दोनों ऑल्दो वैसे कनेक्टेड होती है, एंड कई बार वो बहुत कनेक्ट भी करता है और सेंस भी बनाता है. पर कई बार ऐसा होता है आपको अंदर से बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है, लेकिन यू हैव टू टॉक टू देम इन अ वेरी सिंपल वे ताकि वो समझ पाए कि अच्छा इसका मतलब ये है क्या. ओ नाइस, अंदर से ऐसा so that is the part. Okay, now my overall direction for you is कि अभी तुम्हारे साथ ऐसा है कि your emotions control you in your speech. Okay, so whenever you're speaking you become a little louder, aggressive, कुछ debate है, जीतना है, and that's awesome. But I think एक बार इस चीज को थोड़ा सा ना, मतलब let ये जो अंदर का जो गुस्सा है या फिर अंदर का जो ये वाला पार्ट है, मतलब आई जस्ट वांट टू स्पीक एंड नर्वसनेस, ये वो, इनको छोड़ के ना एक बार थोड़ा काम होके बात करके देखो, तो उससे क्या होगा, यू विल बिकम अ बेटर स्पीकर एंड यू विल आल्सो हैव प्रोडक्टिव थॉट्स. अच्छे थॉट्स आते हैं बिकॉज व्हेन यू स्पीक स्लो, a lot of interesting things happen. People get pause to think, and they also kind of connect with you, because that is very important. It's not about speaking. It's all about connecting with your own. Right. So I think that is something
Yes,
that you
sir.
should work on. I would want to see some speeches which are a little slower and calm down speeches. Okay.
Okay.
And do it impromptu. If you can do impromptu speech, I think that's amazing. If not, maybe you can try some prepared speech. Okay, because we are getting opportunities on a weekly basis. You get to speak 2 times a week, and then you have other things, and you have feedback from members. I think one thing Ayush has done nicely, and one time Sarath also did it, was this slowing down. So I could see that Ayush was very, this is something which has happened. Then he came one day and he's like, today I will tell you a story. So I was like, okay. So that way is just interesting. Maybe have a call with Ayush. He can guide you with some tips on that. Okay. And I would want to see a speech which is in your control. Okay. जैसे कई बार क्योंकि उस कंट्रोल के लूजिंग में ना हमें स्पीच एंड करना है, हमें पता है, बट वो ऐसे वर्ड आ रहे हैं, बिकॉज एंड सो दैट्स व्हाई, और इसकी वजह से वो एक्सटेंड हो रही है स्पीच. दैट इज वन ऑफ द एस्पेक्ट. वो आता है इसलिए क्योंकि आप अपनी स्पीच को कंट्रोल नहीं करे, आपकी स्पीच आपको कंट्रोल करती है. ठीक है. सो एक बार जस्ट ट्राई टू बी लिटिल calm down and just talk to Ayush.
Sir, how can I improve it? Sir, can you suggest me something that, so that, sir, like in various speeches, I got this thing that sometimes I speak loudly, but where we have to speak not loudly. So how can I work on that thing, sir?
So I think first thing you should do is that right now it's good, the experiment is going good, that you want to speak impromptu, but I would say that if you want to do this, maybe do this thing across कि आप वेडनेसडे वाला स्पीच है वो impromptu करो, and जो संडे वाला हमारे स्पीचेस होते हैं आप उसमें you prepare it. Okay, when I say prepare, don't prepare long stuff, prepare very simple things और थोड़ा सा prepare करो. ठीक है. एंड वो सिंपल सा थोड़ा सा बताओ, चाहे हमें आपको बताना नहीं है, 3 मिनट का टाइम है, 3 मिनट नहीं बोलना, आप 2 मिनट बोलो, खत्म करो. ठीक है,
Okay.
एक मैसेज आसान से हमें समझा दो बस, एंड आई नो दैट यू कैन डू इट। ओके, एक थोड़ा सा काम
Yes,
होके
sir.
हमें बताना है कि भाई इसका मतलब ये होता है, यू आर फनी ऑल्सो, तो आप अपने ह्यूमर का यूज भी कर सकते हो। मतलब मुझे
Yes, sir.
वो चाहिए जहाँ पर एक आप नेचुरल बंदे की तरह बात कर पाओ। तो आई थिंक वो एक ज्यादा मतलब थोड़ा सा ना आपकी एड ऑन टू योर पर्सनैलिटी। ठीक है, तो अपने वेडनेसडे सेशंस को आप इम्प्रॉम्प्ट रखो और संडे सेशंस को आप प्रिपेयर करके आओ थोड़ा सा। ठीक है, और आयुष से बात करना है, जस्ट गिव हिम अ कॉल। आयुष वैसे भी हेडबैंड पहन के आया है, ही इज सुपर रेडी। ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
चलो,
Sure.
ऑल द बेस्ट।
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Abhishek sir. Thank you so much. Congratulations, Nishan, for the tips and practice them. And now I'm going to call the speaker, the powerful speaker, the strong speaker, the host of the session. And Pooja, are you there?
Yes, Anshuman, I'm here.
Pooja, I'm giving you the spotlight and you can start with your speech with 3, 2, 1.
बस हो गया, अब और ज्यादा मुझे सहन नहीं कर रहा। कब तक तुम मुझे मशीन के साथ कंपेयर करते रहो? मशीन है, मशीन की तरह रहेगी, और मैं इंसान हूँ, इंसान की तरह रहूंगी। मशीन नहीं बनना मुझे, इंसान बने मुझे खुशी है। यही मुझे भगवान ने इसी तरह बनाया। अगर चाहता तो मुझे भी मशीन बना देता। तो इंसान हूँ, इंसानों की तरह मुझे एक्सेप्ट करो, क्यों मशीन बनाने के पीछे तुले हुए हो? Hello, good evening, everyone. This was a small note from my side. I'm passionate Pooja, captain of Teresa team. As you all know, today's topic is, are robots better than human? Sometimes I feel that yes, robots are better because we have very minor or a very less error possibilities when the robots are on working. I mean, if we are using robots for anything else, like as the science has improved a lot, we have robotic surgeries, we have robots for many fields, in industry, in hospitals and whatnot. But it also has a drawback because it has affected the employment of India. The employment has decreased. There are more unemployments now because robots have taken the place of humans. Agreed, when humans are working, there are possibilities of human error. But that doesn't mean you're going to replace humans with robots. Humans think not only through brain, but also through heart. And on the other part, robots only think by the processing or the information or the data that is being installed in them. I'll just give a small example and a very relevant example. I hope everyone has seen a robot movie of Rajnikant and Aishwarya. In that movie, they have shown one scene of a girl who was being trapped in a burning bathroom, and the robot was there for rescue. Without thinking a lot, he just held the girl in his arms and brought her out. Do you remember the very next scene after the girl came out? Do you remember? Anyone remember that thing? You can comment in the chat box. Yes. So the girl was feeling so shameful and she was literally crying, and she started running towards the highway and she got dashed with a truck and she died at that very moment. So my point for this is, agreed, that was a movie, but they had actually shown it in a very good way, that how good a robot can be, and at the very same time, how worse a robot can be. At that moment, if a human was there in the place of a robot, he must have taken some piece of a cloth, tried to wrap her around, and then he might have got her out. This is me. Robots can be better in some way, in some areas, but they can never replace humans. Humans are humans because they have created robots. Not robots have never created humans. Thank you.
Very nice speech, Pooja. Very nice speech, I can say. You just got us. And with this, guys, the feedback link is in the comment box. Go fill the feedback. How do you feel while Pooja was speaking? And I would like to request Abhishek sir to give reviews on Pooja's speech. Pooja,
Thank
please.
you, Anshuman, for that. And thank you, Pooja, for that astonishing speech. A very, I'll say, there are two, three things which stood out in your speech, starting with the dialogue, kind of a monologue, but it was interesting. And then it went out in a more smoother way. So your speech was no resistance. So there was no resistance in your speech. It was more of a flow that was happening, and that's the good part of it. And yeah, I love the flow. I love you gave us an example which we can relate to from the robot movie and things like that. I would say that you could be a little more descriptive if you wish, of this incident, because a lot of people might not, your audience might not have seen it also. You can just describe the event, what happened, maybe in a brief sense. Okay, there was this robot who this guy made this robot, and he has all the things, but then this happened, and then this happened, and then this whole thing happened. So what do you think now, ऐसे कुछ करके? Because it's always helpful for the people who don't know the movie. There is a huge possibility that people don't know the movie or content, however famous it may be. Okay, so that is one on the improvement part. Another thing I would like to say is that uh, now I would like to understand, there are two things as a speaker. Okay, one thing is stating the obvious. Stating the obvious means, "Arey, smoking kills." Yeah, I know that smoking kills, and then you are telling me that lungs खराब हो जाते हैं, ये वो. That's amazing. So that's a bang on. That's a right content. But I would like to say that to have people some after some time, what happens is people judge you in first 10 seconds, 20 seconds. They're like, oh, okay, so she's saying, okay, this is okay, that's amazing. Okay, but the question is, they judge you in the first 10 or 20 seconds, and then they decide if they want to listen to you or not. Okay, so I'll say the content is good, but now I want you to work on enticing content. Enticing content means the you should kind of initiate it with a hook, or initiate with it with a bold statement for which this person has to listen to you across. And then every step every section that you have should be in a direction that this person is getting to know more about it, and he's understanding your perspective about it. Okay, because they say so we have different things. Now first we have people जो थोड़ा बोल नहीं पा रहे हैं, तो we tell them that यार, you guys just speak, we'll listen, we'll motivate you, give you kind of confidence. But then there are speakers who are starting to doing good, and then we tell them, okay, share the structure and things like that. But then there are speakers who are ready to be in the phase where they can actually start working in inspiring people and putting a contribution to the thing. So for them it is only suggested that make it a performance. Share your perspective, how robots have affected someone like you or your personality, and what is the fear that you have. Maybe just for example, if you want to create the third level speech, so you can go something uh, like this. The other day, one of my relative got fired, and he has a family of 6 to support, but now no employment. I don't know what happened. What happened is, he used to be a part of a team of 200 people who were working in a manufacturing company, and now they have installed 6 machines instead of those 200 members, and all the 200 people are going off. This is what they do for optimization, but it's essentially for more money that is coming in. But just imagine if this is the same thing happening all across the world. 60% of the people would be unemployed. and hopefully you would be knowing somebody who would be unemployed due to machines and due to things like that. And I don't think that is what we want. So something of that sort. What you have done is you have taken some example, maybe something on your personal life, something truth, or maybe some you can start with something that you have read online. So what we'll do is that this small example gives a contrary, and that way this information becomes invaluable, and your points are put in across. Okay, so that way your perspective will go out, and people will remember this and also take action. Okay, so next phase Vali Puja ji. Okay, so put in the mehnat. I think
Sure.
you're doing good and moving to that level. So I think that's amazing.
Thank you so
Okay.
much, sir, for your
Over to the
feedback.
host.
I'll surely improve on this thing. And now I'll invite my host and my friend helping me with the technical things, and I must say, trying to bore me with his speeches. Anshuman Tripathi. Anshuman, can you hear us?
Yes, Pooja, and my jokes are really great. मैं सुनाने के बाद कम से कम आधे घंटे हंसता हूँ.
हाँ, तुम
भाई
ना
तो
हम नहीं.
बहुत सैड लाइफ चल रही तेरी. बहुत ज्यादा सैड लाइफ चल रही है. आधे घंटे अगर तू हंसता है ना, ओहो, तेरे तो मतलब तेरे 24 घंटे में से मतलब तू 48 जोक सुन ले, तेरे तो 24 घंटे खत्म हो जाएंगे.
बड़े अच्छे जोक रहते हैं सर, पूजा को समझ नहीं आते, बस वो मैटर अलग है.
Correct, Anshuman. I need that much level of, you can say. I understood. Okay, now you can start with your speech.
Okay, thank you so much, Pooja. पता है, कल जब ये टॉपिक देखा था ना मैसेज पे, तो मैं कुछ रिसर्च करने गया गूगल पे. मैंने टाइप किया रोबोट्स आर बेटर देन ह्यूमंस, और जो रिसर्च निकल के आई ना, डरा दिया उसने मुझे. सच में डर लगा, मतलब रियली में डर लग रहा था कि यार ये क्या हो रहा है. पता है, उसमें एक एग्जांपल दिखा. पहले जो न्यूज चैनल्स होते थे ना, ये ओवरव्यू एक्सीडेंट्स के और इन सब के ओवरव्यू लेने के लिए एक हेलीकॉप्टर से चीजें शूट करते थे. तो उसको एक पायलट चलाता था, तो उसकी एक नौकरी थी. और उस पर एक कैमरामैन बैठ के पूरा न्यूज रिकॉर्ड करता था, तो उसकी एक नौकरी थी. और इसके बाजू से एक ड्रोन का फोटो बना हुआ था. उसने बताया 10 साल के अंदर एक पायलट और एक कैमरामैन की नौकरी गई. अभिषेक सर ने भी जो पॉइंट उठाया था ना, कि उस पायलट का भी परिवार रहा होगा, उस कैमरामैन का भी परिवार रहा होगा, और वो एक झटके में अनएम्प्लॉयड हो गए. और वहां आंसर लिखा था, यस, रोबोट्स आर बेटर देन ह्यूमंस बिकॉज दे डोंट गेट टायर्ड, दे डोंट हैव इमोशन टू डू पॉलिटिक्स इन ऑफिस, दे डोंट गेट एंग्री विद देयर बॉसेस. इसको ना हम 2 पॉइंट से समझ सकते हैं. एक लाइन मैंने कहीं पढ़ी थी किसी किताब में, वो लिखा था कि बॉस कैन अचीव एनी लिमिट विद देयर टीम, बट द लीडर्स अचीव लिमिटलेस ग्रोथ. इस पे बोला जाएगा ना, रोबोट सच में अच्छे हैं यार ह्यूमन से. रोबोट सर्जरी कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि डॉक्टर के हाथ कांप सकते हैं, रोबोट के आर्म्स कभी नहीं कांपते सर्जरी करने में. उसको ब्लड देख के कपकपाहट नहीं होगी. तो इसलिए किसी को अगर आज से 10 साल बाद ऑपरेशन कराना है, तो लोग डॉक्टर के बजाय मशीन प्रेफर करेंगे. हम आप लोग ही प्रेफर करेंगे, हम लोग ही रिप्लेस करेंगे लोगों को. मैं ज्यादा नहीं बोलूंगा, सिर्फ इतना बोलूंगा, आप जो भी काम कर रहे हैं, जो भी काम आज कर रहे हैं, जो भी आज से 10 साल की प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं, जस्ट ये लाइन ध्यान रखिए कि बी क्रिएटिव विद योर वर्क or you will be replaced very soon, and that is going to happen. Nobody can stop it. That is going to happen. Thanks so much.
Thank you, Anshuman. इतनी भारी भरकम अब हेवी स्पीच देने के लिए 2 मिनट के लिए तुमने सीरियसली डरा दिया कि हमें एक्चुअली में सोच समझ के भी काम करना चाहिए, so that we can be creative at our work, or else we'll be replaced soon. Thank you so much. Now I'll invite Sir for the feedback.
Okay. So I think, first of all, I would like to commend Anshuman on this. So it's very nice, now I could see the kind of perspective. Did you guys see the perspective? He brought from the news and then talked about it, and then connected that perspective about being, more relevant, being relevant, and then making us think that okay, if we don't do it, so what will happen? Pooja कह रही कि एक speaking is तो मैं भी सोचने लग गई थी. I think that is what we want to create. It's a very live example, very good example, Anshuman. And it's just great overall how you display. And I think overall you already discussed with me about your direction of being a person who would able to add value to people's life. I think that is going in the right direction. I would say that apart from our community, do take part in places where you can actually help people with things that you have learned and things like that. Put your speaking power to action, I'll say.
Yes.
Okay, because that is important now, because you are at the stage where you are on the third level, you are doing things, and that's just amazing. Okay, I would want to see more productive things going out and adding value to people's life. I don't know what could be even taking sessions for class 11th and 12th regarding life, career, or probably whatever you are passionate about. Start talking about that, because if you once you start talking about those things, uh, you will also find your why. Okay, speaking is a skill. Okay, it's a gift that you have, but the question is why you speak, why you put so much energy, why you're fighting, why you're doing a lot of research. Everybody gets famous, everybody gets rich with anything they do, if they do it consistently and everything. But the question is what to do. That is the question.
Yes,
Okay, so dwell into the thing, do a little more understanding research while it's perspective, and also come up with ideas on how probably your speeches can be helpful, and we can just come up with something where 10,000 speakers can approach people, and then arrange a speaking session or something, and then you can talk to those folks. So as I have understood, in my life, one thing which happens is that typically people who connect to you, as well as who feel that they are also you, those are the people who get connected, listen to your talk, understand. So just example ke taur pe, if you talk about one of the leading motivational speakers, Sandeep Maheshwari. Now, if you see the crowd, he's like a young crowd person, right? He don't talk to 50-year-old people. He don't talk about retirement. He don't talk about midlife crisis and things like that. Because if he even talks about it, they will connect. They will not connect. That's a different thing. So what happens is that your age is something which is very interesting. Just for example, if you see in our community also, we don't have people who are above 40. We don't have even people who are above 35, I think. So that way is because the kind of surrounding here is kind of young, energetic. We do stuff. We kind of are casual but interesting and stuff like that. So in the same way, find your niche. I'll say start with adding value to junior age groups. I think initial college years, or probably school years and things like that, and try adding some specific value so that you get a lot of speaking opportunity in that direction, and from there you can start your journey about as a speaker, and then you can speak with us and a lot of things like that. पर काम करना पड़ेगा फिर थोड़ा सा, ठीक है?
जी सर.
Getting into the speaking profession, it is somewhat challenging, but if you have the grit and if you have the determination and why is sorted, so I think you'll be able to rock it like a rock star.
जी सर.
Okay.
जी, thank you so much, sir. जी.
All right, over to the host.
Thank you so much, sir, for the lovely feedback in this evening. Now, as we all have discussed that are robots better than human, we would like to hear some of your views. Do you feel are robots better than human?
Okay, thank you. Example of an impromptu speech. All right, let's see. Okay. Whew. So I'm wearing this T-shirt, by the way. Did you guys notice? Good things come to those Who? Wait.
Profound. Go out and earn now.
Who wait? No. Who go out and earn now. So I think this is the thing that I also believe, because at the end of the day, it's about earning things that matter. Okay. And that's amazing. It has kind of driven my life also, and it has driven a lot of other people, successful people. Do you think independence would be possible if you only think about independence? No, you have to make it happen, right? If you do you think Apple as a company would have kind of come out as a people as a company who makes not only makes phones, they do creative. They are creative leaders. That also happens because you do things, you do good things. So in the same way, there are a lot of things that has to happen. Now, today's topic that we're going to discuss about is something around, are robots better than humans? Yeah, hands down. But it's about what perspective are you talking about? Okay, if you're talking about accuracy, yeah, they are. You can't be. You can have robots who can have 1% or 0.0001% of error rate. We humans typically have 1 to 5% as a margin which we typically give to uh, error rate. It is called error rate in machines. In when I used to design machines, we have a error rate of 25%. Okay, and that is acceptable. So if this chalk has to be this much big, so if it is like this also, this is also perfect. It works, but not with robots. So on the points of technicality and ability to do sophisticated jobs, I think yes, robots have kind of nailed it, and that's just amazing. And the stuff they are doing in AI and a lot of things, I think that's just amazing. A simple example to it is my mother. So my mother is now a very knowledgeable person. Earlier, she used to be like a good person only, but now she's good and knowledgeable. I'll tell you how. So whenever she sees the news, and there was a news for Japan, so there was they were saying कि Japan has done a lot of things और उसने बहुत अच्छा किया है, जापान में इतनी इकोनॉमी है and something. तो मम्मी ने just जापान के उस पे गए और मम्मी ने बोला जापान की जनसंख्या, तो वहां आ गया जापान की जनसंख्या 12 करोड़ है वहां के लोग यहाँ रहते हैं वहां रहते हैं everything. So I was like, yeah, that's awesome. I think mummy would have asked me as a human, I'm like hogi kuch, but now it is accessible to that. So I think yes, technology is better, but is also making us smarter. That is one of the most interesting things too, because as a human race, we have to strive to get better. We can't just live on the same concept principle, and that is what technology is doing for us. That is what is happening, and that's really good. And I would say that whenever this topic comes across, people have a very uh, contrast behaviors around it, humans versus things, and they take examples of things like people are getting replaced in factories and this and that. But I think what we are doing here is we are growing as a human race. I agree that helicopter, which might be having though that helicopter person and that camera person have lost their jobs. That's true. But now there will be another job which will be there, which will be on the controller side, somebody who is controlling them, or probably somebody who is coding them, probably. Okay, so I think it is not. Yes, it looks like it is super dangerous and that things will be done in this way, but I think this helps us move in a more forward direction as a human race. Just to prove my point on this, uh, if you know, before Henry Ford, cars were made by hand. Okay, there was one person or there was a team of person, 4 or 5 people. They used to assemble the car by hand, and that time car used to be super costly. Like you can't afford a car if you are a person who is wearing a t-shirt or a ring. You have to wear a golden jacket to earn a car. Now, car is just available for 1 lakh rupees if you go for nano, and regularly it's around 5 lakh rupees, a regular car. And that's just amazing, because actually if you give a person time, metal and everything, it will cost you more than 20 to 30 lakhs, and that too a lot of errors coming in. So that ways, I think, their machines had come, and that has made our race move faster in terms of car. So in the same way, newer technologies which are coming, I think we'll be growing with them, and yeah, we'll be having some flying cars, stuff like that. So that's just amazing. So the future of this direction kind of excites me, and I think we have to have a mental shift and clear this concept that no, machines are not interfering in human growth. In fact, they are helping us grow, and yeah, it's just amazing and exciting. Thank you for listening my thoughts, and have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for making us realize कि एक तरफा नहीं सोचा जा सकता, दोनों तरफा सोचना जरूरी है. Even a coin has two sides.
Yeah. Otherwise, toss का फायदा नहीं होता.
Exactly. Exactly. So here we are at the end of the session. सबका सुना, सबका समझा, लोगों के अलग-अलग नजरिए देखे, ये भी समझ लिया कि robots can be better, sometimes humans are better, but in a way देखे तो अभी हम robots या फिर machines के वजह से ही अभी हम साथ में हैं, साथ में session कर पा रहे हैं. It's all because of a machine. It's all because of technology. Yeah. So here we will end our session on a good note that robots are helpful in a way.
अरे conclusion नहीं देना last में.
Amazing.
Sir,
Guys,
trying to give,
नहीं, पूजा जी आप host हो.
yeah.
Sir, I am just giving my perspective.
अरे तो आप host के position पे अपना perspective नहीं दे सकते.
So we are trying to give another touch to the speech session. हमने
हाँ,
हर
बट मैं
बार
वही कह रहा
सिर्फ
हूँ ना, वो आप
सुना
जज
है,
कर दोगे ना
समझा
अगर,
है.
तो फिर है ना वो आपका ऐसा हो जाएगा कि आपने एक साइड वालों को रिडंडेंट कर दिया. You as a host have to be very neutral. Okay, जब जैसे हम लोग अभी बात कर रहे हैं, तो you have to be kind of थोड़ा सा neutral खेलना पड़ता है. You see, when I am hosting or I am doing that kind of work, I am very neutral. But when it comes to my speech, then my opinion comes. तो मैंने तुम्हारे टॉपिक पे किसी के टॉपिक पे नहीं बोला कि ये गलत है, ये गलत है, ये गलत है. But ऐसा करके थोड़ा सा ये है.
Sir was just trying to give an example of a human error.
No, it's that is how we grow, na. We try things and it doesn't work and then come back.
सर वही तो है ना, सर वही है. 3 मिनट बहुत कम हो जाते हैं अपना पॉइंट रखने के लिए. So
information overflow.
यही वाली टाइम हम यूज कर लेते हैं हमारा पॉइंट रखने के लिए.
तो मतलब ये सेशंस आजकल स्पीच सेशन भी हैं, होस्टिंग ट्रेनिंग भी हमारी हो जाती है, इसमें थोड़े टिप्स मिल जाते हैं. We are learning constantly, all round classes.
The group discussion भी.
इनर कोर मेंबर्स के लिए इंफॉर्मेशन है कि हमारी टीम मीटिंग मंगलवार को होगी, ट्यूसडे को. ये इंफॉर्मेशन सिर्फ इनर कोर मेंबर्स के लिए. बाकी इनर सर्कल मेंबर्स हम आपसे मिलेंगे बुधवार को अगले स्पीच सेशन में. एक टॉपिक होगा, तो खूब गूगल करो, किताबें पढ़ो और अच्छे मजबूत फैक्ट लाओ कि सुन के लगे कि वाह क्या नॉलेज मिला है. और आपकी स्पीच और पावरफुल बन जाती है जब आप फैक्ट्स डालते हैं स्पीच में. कहते हैं ना इम्पैक्टफुल स्पीच.
एक और चीज मैं ऐड करना चाहूंगा इसमें, मतलब जो नए स्पीकर्स हैं, निशान है, सिंगम है, या फिर और भी लोग हैं, मतलब सब लोग का ही है असल में. तो ये एक सिंपल सा एग्जांपल ये होता है कि मैंने मतलब ये चीज सीखने के लिए मैंने एक छोटा सा चने का पेड़ उगाया था, छोटा सा. उसमें ना चने घर पे मिलते हैं चने, तो मैंने उसमें डाल दिया मिट्टी में और थोड़ा सा ऐसे कर दिया. मैंने कहा हाँ, तो 5 दिन तक कुछ हुआ ही नहीं उसमें. लाइक अच्छा. फिर एकदम कुछ ऐसे निकल के आया, फिर लाइक ओ अच्छा. फिर उसके बाद इतना सा ग्रो हो गया 3-4 दिन में, तब लाइक वो ग्रोथ हो रही है. पर फिर अगले 4-5 दिन वो ऐसे ही रहा ऐसे करके. तो मुझे लग रहा है, मैंने कहा पता नहीं क्यों नहीं हो रहा, क्या नहीं हो रहा. तो फिर उसके बाद फिर वो ग्रो करना शुरू किया एंड एवरीथिंग. पर फिर बाद में पता लगा वो असल में उसके रूट्स भी है ना बहुत ज्यादा फैल रही थी. सो जो चेंजेस होते हैं ना, कई बार वो दिखते हैं, कई बार नहीं दिखते. but हमारा जो part है, that is about making it happen, making it work. So continuity is something which makes you kind of grow and do things awesomely. So I think जो भी आप कर रहे हो अभी जिस भी स्टेज पे हो, सब लोगों को बोल रहा हूँ मैं ये कि be continuous about your things, whatever you're doing, because continuity gives a lot of direction and manifests a lot of results. So that way speaking कर रहे हो तो continuous करो तो धीरे धीरे करके grow कर जाएंगे. And just on the contrary, मतलब ऐसे ही थोड़ा सा nostalgic feel करने के लिए ऐसा कोई पुराना वीडियो निकालो ना अपना कि भाई जब कैसे बोलते थे, और अभी वाला कोई रीसेंट वीडियो करो और उसको एक बार लगा के भेजो, एक बार ग्रुप में देखते हैं. लेट्स सी.
इनर सर्कल में भेजना सर.
इनर में भेज दो, टीम में भेजो पहले तो, देखते हैं. ठीक है, जस्ट टू हैव अ पर्सपेक्टिव, थोड़ा नॉस्टैल्जिक फील करते हैं और क्या. ठीक है. बाकी पूजा जी थोड़ा ध्यान रखो. पूजा हैज बीन अ लिटिल ऑन एंड ऑफ, आई नो दैट.
Sure,
है ना.
I am trying my best.
नहीं, वी नीड यू हियर. नहीं चलेगा ऐसे. कोई स्माइल नहीं करता. आयुष और ये अंशुमन तो बाद में स्माइल करते हैं जब बात हो जाती है खत्म.
सर पूजा इज स्माइलिंग फैक्टर ऑफ द कम्युनिटी. वो स्माइल नहीं कर रही तो फिर मैटर खराब हो जाता है.
हाँ, लाइक वो पूजा सीरियस है, अब नहीं हो सकता कुछ जिंदगी में. तो ठीक है, आई थिंक इसको मूव करते हैं. बाकी कुछ और भी चीजें धीरे धीरे डेवलप हो रही हैं, तो वैसे वर्कआउट करते हैं उसमें. आई थिंक हमारा स्पीच कंपटीशन भी स्टार्ट हो गया है. बीच में कुछ छोटे मोटे विघ्न आ गए थे. See many people, I think that. Hey Shubhangi, what's up?
Hello, sir.
Hi. And I can see Naveen in red. Why are you red, Naveen? You are some different kind of Hulk, kya?
Hello, sir.
And I think Rahul is also here. Hey Rahul, what's up?
Let's look in that more, sir.
Fine, sir.
Oh, that's nice. So I think today is hosted by who is hosting today?
Me and Shubhangi will be hosting.
Okay, so Shubhangi, debut hosting?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, I think that's amazing. All the best for that. And let's see how it works out. So, can we start?
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
All right, let's start.
Good evening everyone. This is Ayush and आज का सेशन हम शुरू करने वाले हैं. So, welcome to the 10,000 speakers. यहाँ पर हम स्टोरी शेयर करते हैं और हम पब्लिक स्पीकिंग सीखते हैं. तो जितने भी यहाँ पे मेंबर्स हैं हमारे साथ 3 से 4 महीने से जुड़े हुए हैं, वी डू लॉट ऑफ पब्लिक स्पीकिंग. सो वेलकम टू द सेशन एवरीवन. मैं हूँ आपका होस्ट आज के लिए आयुष, और मेरे साथ मेरी को होस्ट हैं शुभांगी, और हमारे साथ हैं फीडबैक देने के लिए कूल कोच अभिषेक सर. सो लेट्स वेलकम नवीन, राहुल, शुभांगी, अभिषेक सर एंड मी. Okay, so I'll just share the mic to the Shubhangi and she will just say the ground rules for the speeches. Over to you, Shubhangi.
Okay. So, hello friends. So, there are some ground rules in which is there is 3 minutes to speak on the topic, and you have to wrap up your speech in this 3 minutes. And after that, we have an alarm, and which show you that your time is getting over. This kind of alarm you have. Okay. So I think Ayush, we can start the speech.
You are missing your introduction and we would love to hear that.
Okay.
And also 10,000 speakers introduction.
Okay. So here I am, the super amazing Shubhangi, who is hosting this session with my co-host Ayush, and there is my fabulous coach who is Abhishek sir, who is giving us the feedback of the sessions. And I think it is over from my side. And our today's first speaker is Naveen. So Naveen, are you there?
Anything you want to say about 10,000 speakers, Shubhangi?
Okay. So the 10,000 speakers community hour in which we learn daily on the daily basis. And we already know a very beautiful quote, which is that practice makes a man beautiful and strong. So here we learn each and every day and make a bridge by bridge to make a beautiful building, and by which we can get lot of success and speaking skills. So here is our platform. So we can start our speech. Now, Abhishek sir, can I start?
Yeah, I think that you can just go for it.
Okay. So our today's first speaker is Naveen. Naveen, are you there?
Yeah, I am here. Can you hear me?
Okay, Naveen. You are the first speaker of our session, and here I am giving you the spotlight. 1, 2, 3. Naveen, here you have to start.
We know 3 multiplied with 3 is 9. Then what is 39871 into multiplied with triple nine? That's 9 into 1 something. Oh, that's too hot for me. Hola amigos. This is Nam here, and today's topic is, are robots better than humans? Mm, I fear if I didn't give compliment to robots, soon a Terminator will come from the future and kill me. And I have majorly two perspective in this topic. And first is what makes robots better than humans. To start with this, robots are speedy and it will not get tired. Eventually, these are robots until we give power to work. And it can do some extraordinary things like reach someplace and do the stuff where humans we can't reach, like a Curiosity rover in Mars, or things which can't do by humans, like fast calculations, providing optimized solutions. You can see it air traffic control room, etc. And these robots are used to predict the outcome of stock exchanges. These are major, very complicated calculations in the world, but they have accuracy that reaches about 80%. Um, these are the major things that makes the robot better than humans. I have a question with audience. Like, have you ever faced confusion in choosing what do you need? Like in food, what I want to choose, vanilla or strawberry or chocolate. Something I want to eat today, vanilla, or I want to eat strawberry, like that. If you face like this confusion, just put yes in the chat box. It would be nice to see.
Thank you so much, Naveen, for your feedback, for your speech.
Hello,
अरे खत्म नहीं हुआ
can you
speech,
hear
क्या
me?
कर रहे हो?
Okay. I think, sir, there is some network issue from his side.
Yeah,
Yeah.
We have some chats
he asked
here,
a question. I
and
think.
coming to next perspective. So I haven't finished my speech.
Yeah, go on, go on.
Coming to my next perspective, what makes human better than robots? That's a main part. Even we are not speedier than robots. Even we get tired eventually. That is pretty without like what is that? Something Korean or something. I think it's a English word. Just I pronounce from backwards. It's creativity. The creativity gives our mind to think out of box, but robots can't do that because robots can only do what we are instructed, nothing more or nothing less. To the conclusion, our goes to tick 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 humans. Until robots gonna think like us, soon in future, robots can. Thank you. Signing off from you. Bye.
Okay. Thank you. Brilliant speech, Naveen. Thank you so much for your speech. And I'll just ask Abhishek sir for the feedback.
Yeah, sure, I'll do that. But I would like to ask, quick feedback from Shubhangi. On Shubhangi, what do you think? What do you liked in his speech?
So I think the example that he given at the last, that
Last example, okay.
yes, sir. And sir, the thing that he told that in future we can say that robots will do good work, but on the human speed it can't do as comparison to the humans, and because of this disturbance I would
Okay.
not be able to listen properly. Yes, sir.
Okay, no issues. Okay, I think rightly pointed out. So content-wise examples were really good. Okay. So first of all, I'd say so thank you, Shubhangi, for that feedback. And okay, so Naveen, I think first of all, you use a very interesting way to start your speech, and that was really good. That before your introduction, you piqued our interest, and there was some sort of I'll say what is it called, showmanship. So that's called showmanship, and that was really good. And hey, Naveen is here, kya? I can't see Naveen.
Yes, sir. Naveen
Oh,
is here.
oh, okay. I think there's some issue happening. Okay, cool. So, so that's something which is very good. I really appreciate, and I would love to love on this part, so you can explore this more and help us see more things like these coming in. Okay, and apart from this, I think yeah, content wise it was good in terms of you had a clear stand, and last May also you kind of made it a very nice way. So I think that was good, and I think you were slow also. So yeah, it sounded insightful. I'll say that's good. On the improvement part, I'll say I want to have like stories in the picture, because now you have overcome the basic hesitation as a speaker, right? Basic things जो होते हैं ना एक speaker का कि confidence नहीं है या ऐसा नहीं है. So that you have overcome now. Now it's more about how creatively you play and how people would love your speech and understand. Okay. So I think you can start working on that, but how you can do it is making two things. One is try to make your speeches somewhat valuable and rememberable for your folks. Okay. And also, if you can share some of your perspective, I think that would be amazing. Okay, how for practical example is how robots are actually affecting your life. Okay, how it has changed your particular life, and then extrapolate it to other people. Okay, and something of that direction, because that ways you understand how to connect with your audience as well as how to have your personal stories involved into the speech. Okay. Okay, I think that's amazing, and I'm looking forward to see you in future hostings. So let's try to kind of Ayush just look into this and see if the members can also try their hands on Wednesday's hosting. Okay.
Yeah, definitely. Because they are, I think, leveling up. Some of them have leveled up from 0 to 2. So I'll be sharing the list and they can
Yeah,
co-host.
yeah. I think that's okay. Chalo, all the best, Naveen, for this.
Thank
आज तो सुपर म्यूजिक शुभांगी बिल्कुल मचा रही है मतलब हाँ. He's like, I am the host today. आप नहीं बात कर सकते कोई मुझसे अच्छे से.
No, sir, it's not like that.
वो सरप्राइज था इनके लिए मैसेज करके.
हाँ.
ये अच्छा ये hosting भी impromptu है असल में. Okay, चलो ठीक है. I think that's amazing. Over to the host. That was my
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir, for your feedback. And I'll just give the mic to Shubhangi to call upon the next speaker.
So our next speaker is Ragul. Ragul, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there.
Okay. So here you have to go. I'm giving you the spotlight. 1, 2, 3. Here you have to start. Start your speech, Ragul.
Don't predict the future, just invent it. Hello everyone, I'm A. Rahul. As we all know that today's topic is are robots better than humans? Yes, robots are better than humans. But in some other fields, it is better. But in this world, there is some other field where robots cannot do humans' work. Anybody know? In the world, some works cannot robot can be done the work.
calculation.
Just tell anybody know this world some work cannot be mental support. Yeah. Okay, I will tell that. The two things is first one is cooking and the second one is marketing. Robot cannot do cooking and it's never check whether it's sweet or has and don't taste the taste of the food. And next one is a marketing. It's never task with the speak with the people and do marketing. So in these two fields, robots and artificial intelligence can. So let's go into topic. So there are three things which makes the robots better than humans. First one is productivity. Second one is safety. Third one is savings. These three factors are mostly involved in industries only. First one is let's see the productivity in textile industry or in a food processing industry. Mostly nowadays, without robot, we cannot do this work with correct time and correct size and correct quantity. Because when we do the work of textile industry with humans, it's take 1 day for a average person to make a dress, to cut it and make altering. But when we use robots and make program it, it will take 2, 3, 5 minutes or 10 minutes to cut it and size it and level it. So in this field, robots are better than humans. And the next one is a major thing is how many of them see food factory show in Discovery? Anybody see food factory show Discovery? Nobody. Yeah. On the place we learn lots of things what robot do, because in food packing industry is one of the biggest industry. So we drink soft drinks and lays and packetable foods. Everything is done by the robots. Humans cannot do this work. Even if we do this work, even it take so many months or years. But the robot, it can be done by the 1 to 3 minutes. In this place, robots are better than humans. Next thing is safety. Biomedical and radiation, Kudankulam nuclear power plant. On the place, we can't. This place connects so many radiations and so many predict threats on the place. Because when we work in the place, humans may get radiations. If there is a chance for cancer also. So nowadays, our country use some more robots in this place to avoid radiations for humans. So in this place, robots are better than humans. And next one is one of the important things is now is a medical industry. I would like to say on the cataract surgery, there is a do for older persons for in eye. Before 10 years or 5 years, it won't be done by the humans, but after entering the robot, it's very easy for the doctors. They just fix it in eye. It will do the surgery within 5 minutes to 5 to 15 minutes. And another thing is savings. Before 5 years to 3 years, we take a camera from upper position, from top view. We use a helicopter and a person. The cameraman take in helicopter, they take a shot. But now we using a drone to capture the images. So in this place, robots gives savings to the businessman and employee. That's all my point. Thank you, 10K speakers for.
Amazing. I think that's a very good point. So thank you for sharing that. So I think Rahul, I could see one. Can you see some calmness in your speech now?
Yeah, after I gain confidence from the old speeches from now. I see calmness and coolness. So I feel this.
So I think that's amazing. So it shows two things basically. One is yes, you are capable of change, and that's amazing. Second is you're actually changing, and that's more amazing than you can change. And so that's really good. I am able to understand your speeches now better as a listener. Okay, not as a coach, as a listener, because earlier I have to understand your speeches as a coach. There I have to give you, some motivation, some direction. Okay, you can be a little slow. You can, do it and things like that. Now I think you have crossed that level of, basic confidence as a speaker. You have gained level 1. Also had there were mosquitoes telling me that I could have watched TV or something, but no. I never missed a session, and I gave all those speeches. And today, after a lot of hard work, I'm here I'm here sharing my value. Okay, so a good story is in making. Okay, so now I'll give you feedback from perspective growth and efforts. Okay, so first of all, I would like to say that in level 2, you have to kind of start working on the ending parts. Okay, the speeches are good, but your endings are abrupt. Okay, so what I mean to say is that there's a very simple sign. It tell your body and then conclusion. Okay, but what goes in there is I'll tell you. So when you introduce yourself, you should introduce yourself first, the topic also, then you start speaking. Okay, and prepare an introduction for yourself. If it's something like, good evening, friends. My name is Astonishing Abhishek. I'm an entrepreneur and a public speaker at 10,000 Speakers community. I have 2 lovely parents. So I have my father and mother, and I have 7 amazing friends. And I have a huge community support, which helps me run through and through the community. And I am trying my bit to inspire the world and speak up because a lot of stories are there to be shared. Connect. Okay. Yourself just not as a speaker, but as a person who matters. Okay. Chalo, I think level 2 is you're leveling up. I'm very happy. Also, what I have asked in the other group, now you guys can also do. So just to feel nostalgic, let's do this. Take up a video, which is an old video that you have. It might be on, I think, on YouTube, old videos, or probably you might have recorded some video of yours. And take up videos that you have now. And just put them. If they see that, okay, there's a transformation, okay, this guy did this and he's moving with it, so I can also do it. So a lot of people won't give up. I think that would be a very good contribution to other people's growth. And yeah, थोड़ा सा खुद भी nostalgic हो जाएंगे. We'll also feel nostalgic about it. Okay, so try preparing that, and once it's done, you can just share it across with the team, or you can just share it in the WhatsApp group. Okay, everyone, including Rahul, Naveen, Shubhangi, Ayush. Okay, that's something from my side. Thank you, Rahul, for the amazing speech, and I wish you all the success and hard work that is coming along. Over to the host.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much, sir, for the feedback. And I think Rahul is improving a lot, and the feedback points that you have shared, we will definitely work upon them. Okay, so now it's time to introduce my co-host who is having her speech next. So I'll welcome super amazing Shubhangi, who is hosting for the first time, and let's hear what she says about, are robots better than humans or not? Over to you, Shubhangi.
Thank you so much, Ayush, for the lovely introduction. So, the technology is increasing day by day rapidly. Don't you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So here I am, the super amazing Shubhangi, and our today's topic is, are robots better than humans? So there is a thing that there are so many things which the humans can do, but robots can't. Robots is a kind of machine, and we are a humans. Humans have a lot of other accessories like emotions, which the robots doesn't have. So we have our the Sophia robot, which also acquires a citizenship, and we are seeing that there are a lot of the things that is changing from the low level to the higher level in the case of robots, and we are seeing that in rapidly the robots are taking the space of humans. For example, the humans in the form of the unemployment, and because of the sake of the remote robots, we are not able to employ our people of the nations properly. So there is a thing which we have to need to a look. I would love to give the topic in the simplified form by giving an example. So here you have to imagine a situation which I am going to tell you. So there is a girl who is very fond of the machines. Like she has iPhone. Whenever she is free, she just go to the Siri. Siri, how is you? How are you? After a certain time, he just asks her parents to give her a gift of the robot. The parents ready to give him a gift, give her a gift of robot. So what the changes now she is occurring with the help of this robot. The earlier the girl, the very little girl used to play with her friends. She shouted so loudly in the field, yeah, we are playing, we are doing this thing. She is crying with his best friend. She is doing many of the things. She is doing she is playing with the nature, she is playing with the humans. But when this robot came to her house, what she did, she just tried and disappointed by the robot. Why? Because she always said this robot that please cry with me, no one is listening to me, just please could you sing me as this song. But unfortunately the robot can't, because because the robot has a limited capacity of processing unit in itself. So the work which the little girl wants to do with the robot is not able to give those kinds of all the functions to the little girl. What the parents are seeing now, the small little girl is very much upset. She is going in a depression day by day, and here is she is suffering from a severe disease. So yes, robots are not easy, and robots are not easy to tackle also. We have to really think a thing that if the robots comes to our imagination picture and into the real life, we are not able to fulfill our emotions, and we are losing the relationship with the other people also. Yeah, I'm not saying that robots are not good. Robots are doing very much well in the many of the IT sectors, intelligent artificial sector. Yes, they do, but on the basis of the technology, they can't. The growth capacity, and I would like to conclude my speech here that the growth capacity of robot is limited as comparison to the humans. We are easily adapted to any environment, to any of other things by evaluating ourselves, and not so because of the robots. Thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity.
Okay, thank you, Shubhangi, for your amazing speech. And let's hear from Abhishek sir the feedback.
Yeah, but before that, I would love to know from your side.
Okay,
Ayush, what do you think? What was good in your speech?
I'll say she shared one story which was very touching because she compared the emotional effect of the robot and a human. So the crying factor was touching.
Mhm.
And she gave example also where robots are used, like in factories, in machines. So overall, I would say it was a nice speech. And one thing which I think she needs to work is like some structure. Like I'll be starting from this, then I'll share this story, and then I'll conclude by this. That's it. Overall, it's a good speech.
Got it. Thank you, Ayush, for those comments. I think they're relevant. थोड़ा सा समझ में आया, शुभांगी?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first of all, I think overall, I could see a lot of interesting bits and pieces at some places. Rightly pointed out by Ayush, starting with that story, and then that emotion also. You were actually speaking the language of that girl. That please cry with me, and that is called basically, that is dramatizing. The whole thing, and that is good because people love drama. People love to hear stories as they are executed. If you tell me that there was a girl who was crying because Siri said that she can't cry, it's like, okay, cold. But when you say that, okay, the girl said, please cry with me, I am there, I'm feeling the pain, and somewhat pata nahi, matlab, it was natural, yeah, it was kind of happening. So there was some frail also in your voice, which felt like you were little crying, या फिर थोड़ा सा ऐसा है ना, मतलब इंसेंस जब आपने वो बोला था ना, तो उसमें थोड़ा सा ना आवाज ऐसे हिल गया था. तो लाइक मैं कहा, ओहो हो, ये तो नेक्स्ट लेवल खेल दिया. So that
So
was, I
actually,
think,
sir, I do mimicry. That's right.
oh, okay, that's amazing. That's amazing. So I think that is the added level which was visible. So I think that's just cool. Okay. So I think that is one part of it, and that was really good. I think you have overall, this is the good part of it. Okay. And on the improvement part, I have two improvements for you. Okay. So starting with first improvement, I would say is the structure bit that is happening. So try to kind of make the whole story into one picture. Okay, so there were bits and pieces which were nice, but you
I think Abhishek sir has
I
lost.
think network issue. Yes.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
Hey guys, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes sir.
Okay, कहाँ तक सुना था?
The
Sir,
feedback portion is remaining.
inverted आ रही है मैं आपकी, I think.
What आ रही है? यार मैं तो ऐसे ही बैठा हूँ. चलो कोई.
हाँ अब ठीक आ रही है.
हाँ ठीक. अब ठीक आ रही है.
हाँ अब ठीक है.
ठीक है अब.
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
So what do you think? Feedback.
The improvement part.
हाँ, improvement एक भी नहीं सुना.
Structure,
No, sir.
structure.
हाँ, so one is the performance bit. So you're doing good in pieces, but I think that's amazing that you are into mimicry. Or you have that kind of talent. So try to involve more such conversations. Okay, maybe have a monologue where there are two people or three people in fact having an interaction, and you could be super creative with it. So just I'll tell you, whenever we tell that, okay, give a speech, it's not about only talking about topic. So you can also frame a story in which that topic is being discussed, because at the end of the day, your idea as a speaker is to help us think, help us understand the concept. You telling us directly or we knowing from a third party where there is an interaction. So I think there could be a lot of interesting things that can happen, and yeah, kind of try to work it out that direction. And I would say to Ayush, let's try to do this. That let's try to give out the topics every Monday. Okay, so every Monday we announce the topics which is for Wednesday and which is for Sunday. Okay,
Okay.
what will happen is it will give people time to be creative about it. Okay, so for example, just for example, if we give the topic to Shubhangi, let's say on Monday, this is the topic. So she can actually think about things. Okay, then she has time to prepare and do creative things. So I think yes, we can repeat it once again, but let's try to give the topic for the week. This is for Wednesday and this is for Sunday, so that people have time and they can just do some amazing stuff. Okay,
Okay.
Shubhangi?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, I think that's amazing. That is the first bit. Second bit I would like to highlight is that I think fluency is happening in English, and that's a good part. But I would say that still there are some errors in functional English. Okay, when I say functional English, I'm talking about some grammatical rules going wrong, and sometimes sentence kind of construction is going wrong and things like that. So I would say try to brush up your English. You can do it by your own. This is do some Google stuff, take some help from somebody, or if you wish, we also have some people. There's a friend of mine who has this trainers and coaches around English. So you can also join that if you wish. Do a month or so that these basic things are kind of cleared off from your speech, and
Okay,
you will
sir.
be more confident. Okay. So so think about your options, what are the options you have, and if you want us to connect, so maybe you can just connect with Ayush. He'll be connecting you to them. Okay.
Okay,
They
sir.
take
Okay.
some charge or fee or something, but you can just take it across from there. We'll refer you there, so
Okay.
you might get some discount or something. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So I think that's amazing. So over to the host.
Okay.
Okay. So
Now
our
it,
next speaker
Okay.
is Ayush.
so I'll give.
So our
Hey, I want to see Rahul in the hosting also.
So
Okay.
let's
Sir, I
give
don't
Rahul
know
a
how.
chance to introduce.
Sir, I don't know how to.
Rahul, introduce karo yaar. Arey, you have already seen a lot of speeches. Come on. You have to introduce Ayush and take the session to the next level.
Our next speaker is Ayush. He is one of the such good speaker in our community and also our community manager in our 10K speaker. I start 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Thank you, Rahul, for the opportunity, and thank you, Abhishek, sir. So I'll start.
Yeah.
He was working 16 hours a day, and people asked him, "Are you a robot?" And he answered, "I don't know." Hi, everyone. This is Ayush, and I'm here to speak on the topic, "Are robots better than humans?" And the quote I shared is for me because when I was working, people asked me, "So are you a robot? You are working 12 hours, 14 hours a day," and it was 16 months back. So this was a small example. And I think robots are not better than humans because of the three factors. The first factor is efficiency. And when I talk about efficiency, it has accuracy, it has errors, it has all the precisions which with with which humans work and machines work. So जैसे हमें अगर मान लो कि हमें एक ब्रिज बनाना है या फिर हमें कोई एक बहुत बड़ी बिल्डिंग कंस्ट्रक्ट करनी है, उसके लिए जो ह्यूमन लेबर लगेगा दैट विल बी थाउजेंड्स ऑफ हंड्रेड्स ऑफ पीपल, और उसके बाद जो मैन पावर यूज होगा एंड जो टाइम यूज होगा वो बहुत बड़ा होगा। एज कंपेयर टू दिस, अगर हम मशीन्स यूज करेंगे तो मैन पावर कम यूज होगा और जो काम होगा वो जल्दी हो जाएगा। सो दिस इज एफिशिएंसी। इन टर्म्स ऑफ एफिशिएंसी, मशीन्स और रोबोट्स आर बेटर देन ह्यूमंस। माय सेकंड पॉइंट इज इंटेलिजेंस। जो हमारा ह्यूमन ब्रेन है वो बड़ा कॉम्प्लेक्स है, और इस कॉम्प्लेक्स स्ट्रक्चर जैसा दुनिया में ऐसा कोई कॉम्प्लेक्स चीज आई थिंक अभी तक नहीं आई है, और रोबोट्स तो इस स्ट्रक्चर को भी मैच करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस। सो इन टर्म्स ऑफ इंटेलिजेंस ऑल्सो आई थिंक रोबोट्स फेल हो जाते हैं, ह्यूमंस ओवर पावर रोबोट्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ इंटेलिजेंस। My third point is feelings and emotions. In terms of feelings and emotions, अगर मेरे पास एक खिलौना है फॉर एग्जाम्पल, और मैं अगर हंसना चाहता हूँ, तो अगर उसके अंदर वो कैपेबिलिटी है कि वो मुझे हंसा पाए, अगर उसके अंदर वो प्रोग्रामिंग है, तो वो मुझे हंसा देगा. लेकिन अगर उसके अंदर वो कनेक्शन ही नहीं है, वो हार्ट ही नहीं है, वो ब्रेन ही नहीं है, तो वो मुझे समझ ही नहीं पाएगा. ही वॉन्ट बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड मी, ही वॉन्ट बी एबल टू मेक मी लाफ. सिमिलरली इन अदर सिचुएशंस ही वॉन्ट बी एबल टू कनेक्ट विद मी. तो यहाँ पर रोबोट्स आर फेलिंग. So overall, I think feelings always comes first when it comes to being human, and that is my point. कि humans are better than robots in terms of feelings and emotions, because we have created robots and robots have not created us. Thank you. This is Ayush signing off.
Okay, that's amazing. Thank you, Ayush, for that. And I would love to know, first of all, from your side, what do you think about your team?
Me?
हाँ,
ओके, सो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने उतना प्रिपेयर नहीं किया था, बट मुझे आइडिया था कि मुझे 3-4 ये पैरामीटर्स रखने हैं और उनको इस डायरेक्शन में एक्सप्लेन करना है. लैंग्वेज कुछ भी हो सकती है, इस बार ही मैंने खुला छोड़ा था अपने आप को कि मैं ऐसे ऐसे एक्सप्रेस करूंगा. सो आई थिंक आई वाज मोर एक्सप्रेसिव कि लास्ट टाइम की बजाय, एंड थोड़ा कामनेस था और हल्का सा बीच में कहीं नर्वसनेस थी, और ज्यादा कुछ नहीं लगा.
that's a good observation. So I'll tell you, overall में जो मेरी part से आया. So one is, it was looking like, a friend is talking. A friend is talking like a person who's thinking, and he just it's not a speaking, and that
सर डिस्कनेक्शन हो गया आई थिंक. आवाज नहीं आ रही है.